Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lord Have Mercy. Hi guys, hi, how are you doing? How's your day going? Hope you're doing well. I hope you're progressing in whatever it is you're doing, you know, in school, in your job, in your business, in your life, your career, in every area of your aspect of your lives. Why did my voice just go low? Whoa. But hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. It's a fresh-faced spring makeup tutorial, as you can tell from the flowers and the colors. But yeah, it's just a simple it's a makeup tutorial inspired by the one and only Ronke Raji. She does a lot of bold makeup looks. When I say bold, I mean bold, like bold. And yeah, she does a lot of bold makeup looks. I can't even talk. I'm so excited. She also does like inspiratorials, and she kind of pushed me out of my comfort zone to do this look. Why am I looking at myself? I don't know. I'm just filming myself. To do this look, so yeah, I think I'm talking a lot now, and I don't want the intro to be too long. So let's move on to the tutorial. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you click that subscribe button below and hit the bell for notification so you know when next I have another video. So let us move on to the tutorial. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And also, this look is gonna be an affordable look, so I'm using mainly drugstore projects. I think so. Yeah. So yeah. So for priming, I'm gonna use my NYX #NoFilter primer. This is like my go-to affordable primer if I'm not using my Lancome bougie. Yeah, it's my go-to because it smooths out my face. It actually like gives me that it gives me that blurring effect. Alright, and next, and the foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Pro. Is this foundation? I'm in the shade Classic Tan 335. Next, I'm gonna highlight with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. You know what I just realized about this concealer? It's too cool for me. Alright, I'm gonna top that with my L'Oreal True Match. This is also cool. Okay, let's see. This is cool, but it's warmer than the NYX. So yeah, alright, I think I'll do that. Next, I'm gonna contour with my Black Radiance. Sorry, I'm gonna contour with the Black Radiance concealer stick. So now I'm gonna set my under eye with the NYX HD finishing powder, and it's the shade Banana. Just gonna go in with my sponge. I'm gonna dust it off right away so I don't have like a white cast on my face. Alright, and to set the rest of my face and contour, I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance Pressed Powder and L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, and I'm mixing them together. I'm using this angled brush from Ruby Kisses. And for my eyes, I'm not really doing any eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go into the two powders I used to contour and create a little bit of color on my eyelid. And for highlight, I'm going to use this Black Radiance Artisan Baked Bronzer. Talking is not my first language, guys. Talking is a language I know. Alright, just using this elf brush. Also, the brushes I'm using are pretty much affordable. I'm just using elf brushes and Ruby Kisses brushes. Like $3, $4. Yeah. Then wow. So I went like this and I put it in my inner corner, and then I went back in, but I was tapping my mirror instead of the product. Wow. Alright. And to set my face, I'm using the CoverGirl Look Up. It's not focusing. Yeah. It's also affordable. I got it from Ulta. And I like it. At first I was iffy about getting it, but after getting it, because of the scent, it has a scent. I've been using it and I really like it. It smells good, and that kind of scared me, but it gives me like a dewy, nice finish. So, and it doesn't break me out. Yeah. Alright, so I went ahead and did my lashes and applied the yellow eyeshadow under my waterline. Hopefully they show. I don't think they're as vibrant as I would like, but we're gonna work with that. Alright, so next is gonna be the hair, and for my hair, I'm just gonna, I got this flowers from the 99-cent store, affordable again, and I'm just gonna put them in different places. So I'm just gonna pluck if I can, for an artificial flower. It sure is hard to pluck. I'm just gonna pluck a few leaves. Whoa. Alright, now I'm gonna place it and bobby pin it. The struggle. Hold on, guys. Let me figure this out. Okay, how do you do this? Alright, guys, let's see. So let me show you guys what I did. Hopefully it's focused. So I just stabbed it with my tweezer and put my bobby pin through the hole. Now it's a matter of placement, and my battery's dying. But here's a finished look. I just put the flowers in random places, kind of sticking out oddly or weirdly, but I guess that's the point. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the look. I hope you like it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm feeling myself like mousy. Oh, and also make sure you tag Ronke Raji. I want her to see this. I try my best. I want her to see the tutorial. Just comment Ronke Raji, Ronke Raji. Hopefully that works. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.